Are you spending more time indoors as the winter progresses? I know we are. Well, are you looking for a safe and easy, affordable way that you can entertain your kiddos right in the comfort of your own home? Well, today I'll be giving you a really simple and easy DIY aromatherapy Play-Doh. It's a fun experience learning about essential oils and making this aromatherapy Play-Doh with your kiddos. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like so you can find out about content on this amazing channel. All right, well, this activity is a great way for children to learn about aromatherapy, to learn about the power of essential oils. So see our previous video that I did on the power and the science of smell. You can share that with your kids or watch it and then share that information with them as you learn. Did you know 2 million more families have chosen to homeschool over this last year? Isn't that amazing? So homeschool moms, welcome. You're probably checking out this video for finding out about Play-Doh for your kiddos. I'm glad that you're joining me. Well, we use a variety of different oils, and you can use a variety of different oils and colors that will help kids learn and about the different scents. So some fun essential oils that you can use or include are wild orange. Wild orange is a beautiful, invigorating smell. It really does smell like an orange as you open it up, but wild orange is anti-anxiety. It helps for calming and soothing, but also a natural energy boost. So I love that. Peppermint essential oil. So peppermint is invigorating and uplifting, helps with focus and concentration. So that's a fun one. Lemon is a purifier. It's clean, crisp, beautiful aroma. And then rosemary is excellent for all things brain, focus, concentration, memory. So this is a fun one to use in their Play-Doh as they're memorizing something or listening to an audiobook. It's going to help them retain what they are learning. And then lavender, of course. Lavender is a staple in our home, really calming and soothing. Excellent for your aromatherapy Play-Doh. Another blend that I love from doTERRA is Balance. Balance essential oil is a grounding blend. It's really soothing and calming to the mood and to the emotions. And so maybe you have a kid that's in a timeout, maybe a younger kid that's in a timeout, and you just need them to calm down for a little bit. You can give them some aromatherapy Play-Doh with Balance in it. It'll help calm them down. I know you're absolutely going to love this hack, moms. You're going to let me know in the comments below. If you are ready to join me with essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you right at roxysaran.com. Now, if you've been peeking around here for a while and you have some questions about doTERRA as a business, maybe you want to see if this is a good fit for you. Well, in the comments below, you can find my WhatsApp chat number. I'd love to hear from you, and we can schedule a time to go over the information and see if this is a good fit for you, and I'll help you get started absolutely for free, of course. All right, well, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of colored water, 1 cup of salt, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we'll add the 5 drops of essential oil a little bit later. So you'll combine all of these ingredients except the essential oils in a large saucepan, and you'll stir it all up until it's combined really well. Then you'll put it over medium heat. Using a spatula, you're going to stir all of these ingredients together until it forms a ball. Now, once it forms a ball, you're going to remove it from the heat and cool it on parchment paper. Do not overcook this because it will lead to dry Play-Doh. So don't overcook it. That's the key. Once it's cool, you'll add 5 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oil and knead that all the way through until it's combined. And that's it. The simple things. It's done. You'll store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for months of fun. So I told you, really super easy. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of colored water, 1 cup of salt, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You'll add the 5 drops of essential oil at the end as you knead it through once it's cool. All right, store it in the airtight container in the refrigerator. You're absolutely gonna love it. Go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to grab your essential oils right there at roxysaran.com. Well, another thing as I was preparing for this video is there are tons of online searches talking about the danger of essential oils and creating all of this fear. It really made me sad and then a little bit mad. doTERRA essential oils are absolutely safe. True, there are bad oils out there, and probably the most of the oils on the market today are not good for you, right? I was at the dollar store the other day picking up note cards and a few other things for my team, and I realized that they also have essential oils there for $1. Okay, guys, run. I saw oils at Best Buy, Walmart, you name it. There are oils everywhere. Most of the oils on the market today are not safe and pure. So I guess I sort of understand the fear that's out there. I want to assure you as a mom, doTERRA essential oils is absolutely safe. doTERRA is an amazing company. They're the #1 essential oil company in the world. They are tested and proven. They're amazing. And so they're safe, and you can use them with your kids. And of course, I only advocate and teach about doTERRA essential oils because of their testing and their purity and their sourcing that they undergo directly with the farmers. It's the only company that I would trust using essential oils in my family. So join me. We have amazing education, support, training, weekly texts, as well as an awesome Facebook community with daily education, testimonials, 9 years of content that you can go back and search if you have a question. And of course, you can ask in there, and there's tons of people ready to answer you. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Join me at roxysaran.com. I can't wait to help you get the power of these amazing oils in your own home. I hope to see you in our next video. We'll be talking about the safety tips to use when utilizing essential oils. Have a great day.